Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best crack cream is probably one of the most underrated skincare products out there, especially during the harsh winter months. If you're tired of dealing with dry, cracked hands that feel like sandpaper, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of hand creams, testing and reviewing some of the top contenders to find the ultimate solution for your chapped skin woes. Number 5. Miracle Hand Repair Cream, 3-pack. This hand cream is formulated with 60% ultra aloe gel, which deeply penetrates to repair severely dry and cracked hands. It provides intensive rejuvenation, transforming extremely dry skin into soft, healthy hands. The cream absorbs quickly and is non-greasy, leaving no residue. It's lightly scented for a refreshing experience. This makes it perfect for those with active lifestyles. This product works effectively on cracked skin beyond just hands. It's ideal for dry elbows, knees, and other rough patches. It's powerful enough for extreme dryness, yet gentle enough for daily use. For best results, apply after washing hands, after bathing, or as an overnight treatment. It creates a protective barrier and works while you sleep to heal cracked hands. It's perfect for daily hand care routines. Each bottle is perfect for purses, cars, and travel bags. It's TSA friendly, so you can enjoy the benefits of this hand cream anywhere. Larger sizes are also available for home use. What we like. This cream boasts a high concentration of aloe vera, perfect for deep healing. It absorbs quickly, leaving no greasy residue, making it ideal for busy individuals. If you have extremely dry, cracked hands and need a fast-acting, non-greasy solution, this is the one for you. What people say. The cream is very effective at moisturizing and healing dry, cracked hands. It absorbs quickly and doesn't leave a greasy residue. The scent is pleasant and not overpowering. Number 4. Panier de Sens Orange Blossom Hand Cream. Is your skin feeling dry and cracked? This rich, silky cream is designed to deeply moisturize and soothe your hands. It delivers long-lasting hydration, leaving them feeling soft and smooth all day long. Made with 97% naturally sourced ingredients, this hand cream works to repair, protect, and rejuvenate your skin. It's gentle yet effective, perfect for daily use, helping you maintain soft, healthy hands and a natural glow. Enriched with olive oil and sweet almond oil, this cream offers intensive hydration and nourishment. These natural oils fight skin aging, restore elasticity, and give your hands the ultimate moisturizing experience. Indulge your senses with a delightful orange blossom scent. The fragrance captures the essence of Mediterranean sunshine, creating a beautiful, uplifting aroma that lingers delicately on your skin. Crafted with recyclable packaging and a commitment to natural ingredients, this hand moisturizer is thoughtfully designed with sustainability in mind. Dermatologically tested, it's suitable for all skin types, providing effective, gentle care that you can feel good about using every day. What we like. This hand cream is made with 97% natural ingredients, ensuring gentle yet effective care. It is enriched with olive and almond oils, providing intense hydration and nourishment. If you are looking for a luxurious, naturally sourced hand cream with a delightful scent, you'll love it. What people say. Light fresh scent, skin is better after first use. The formula perfectly balances moisturizing and weight on the skin. It absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy film, so doesn't leave sticky fingerprints everywhere. Number 3. O'Keeffe's Working Hands Hand Cream Bundle. Are your hands rough and cracked? This concentrated moisturizing cream from O'Keeffe's is designed to heal, relieve, and repair extremely dry hands. It's the #1 hand cream brand in America. This bundle includes a night treatment cream. It's a calming, restorative cream that works while you sleep. You can see visible improvements in just one night. These creams provide an instant moisture boost to relieve discomfort and repair your skin. Use it day and night to keep your hands moisturized and nourished. For best results, apply after washing your hands, after bathing, and before bed. These are the most effective times to moisturize extremely dry hands and skin. This product is unscented and non-greasy. It's also safe for people with diabetes. The 3-ounce tube is a perfect travel size, so you can take it with you wherever you go. What we like. This cream is from the #1 hand cream brand in America and is designed to heal and repair extremely dry, cracked hands. It also offers a night treatment for overnight relief. If you like a no-frills, effective cream that works while you sleep, consider this. What people say. The cream is very effective at moisturizing and healing dry, cracked hands. It absorbs quickly and doesn't leave a greasy residue. The scent is pleasant and not overpowering. Number 2. Grocerism Urea Cream 40% for feet. Introducing a powerful cream designed to transform your skin. It's enriched with 40% urea to soften calluses and deeply moisturize. Plus, it contains 2% salicylic acid for enhanced exfoliation. This cream is packed with beneficial ingredients. Tea tree helps protect the skin, while aloe vera works to repair and restore. Hyaluronic acid provides deep hydration, leaving your skin feeling refreshed. This advanced repairing cream is perfect for feet, heels, hands, and more. It's suitable for all skin types, providing comprehensive care for various areas. The formula is dermatologist tested and designed for safety. It's hypoallergenic, GMO-free, paraben-free, cruelty-free, and sulfate-free. It absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue. The cream is formulated with a blend of organic ingredients. These include urea, glycerin, hyaluronic acid, aloe vera extract, and tea tree leaf extract, all working together to nourish and revitalize the skin. What we like. This cream contains 40% urea, which is excellent for softening calluses and moisturizing skin. It also includes tea tree and aloe vera for added benefits. If you have rough, calloused skin and need a powerful, multifunctional cream, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The cream is very effective at moisturizing and healing dry, cracked hands. It absorbs quickly and doesn't leave a greasy residue. The scent is light and pleasant. Number 1. No Crack Unscented Day Use Hand Cream, 4 ounces. Are your hands feeling dry and rough? This unscented hand cream is designed for daily use. It will keep them moisturized and soft. This cream is perfect for those sensitive to fragrances. It provides effective hydration without any added scents, making it ideal for everyday use. Apply this cream during the day to protect your hands from dryness. Its non-greasy formula absorbs quickly, leaving your hands feeling smooth and comfortable. The convenient 4-ounce size is perfect for home or on the go. You can easily keep it in your purse or desk drawer for quick access whenever your hands need a little extra care. Use this hand cream regularly to maintain soft, healthy-looking hands. It's a simple step that makes a big difference in the overall feel and appearance of your skin. What we like. This hand cream is unscented and designed for day use, perfect for those who prefer a fragrance-free option. It is also non-greasy, ensuring a comfortable feel throughout the day. If you like a simple, effective, and unscented cream for daily use, this is a great option. What people say. This, however, has completely saved my hands. I have used it for a week now, a few times throughout the day, and I no longer have to bandage every joint on my hands nightly. They are healed and staying that way. I put this on in the mornings after my shower, and if they are dry at night then apply again before bed, and I wake up with such soft feeling hands. It doesn't leave a greasy feeling afterwards, and I like the non-scented option, but the lemon is a good scent as well. Only lotion that prevents and heals cold weather cracks. Works even with need to wash hands frequently. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.